one word from God can change your life. You're listening to Daily Prophetic. When something's taken longer than we expected, it can begin to weigh on our heart. We start to ask questions that we never wanted to ask. We wonder whether we've missed something, or whether the delay has been too long, whether we've lost our way. But the Lord says, my timing is not broken. I've not stepped away from what I've spoken over your life. Even when things feel intricate, slow, and hidden from view, I'm still working with wisdom and with precision. I know how everything fits together, and I know how everything will move forward. Do not confuse delay with my absence, but know that I am the Lord who orders the times and the seasons. What I have set into motion will come into place, and it will not be too late. Allow me to work. Allow me to take care of the details. Allow me to do the things which only I can do. Step back and place it in my hands anew, allowing me to do that which I have promised. For I am the Lord, the faithful one, the Lord who is with you. Be at peace and receive my blessing. Be at peace and receive anew my love. To receive a personal word, click on the link in the top left of the screen or visit requestword.com.